Hello everyone! Today, I'd like to share a type of video that is getting a lot of attention right now. If you're curious about how this kind of video is created, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create it using AI in the simplest way possible so even beginners can follow along. Let's get started and create this video together.
You're pouring coffee in my old sweatshirt, laughing at how long the sleeves still are. Morning dust floating in the window, there's a record humming in the hall. Feels like Polaroids on the fridge, little moments that never quit. Yellow corners fading in, but the feeling's still as bright as it's ever been. You lean in, I lean in, and it all comes back again. Drive the back roads past the orchards, steal the side mirror for your makeup. I missed the turn. Say keep going, some wrong ways end up turning out just right. Feels like Polaroids on the fridge, little moments that never quit. Yellow corners fading ink, but the feeling's still as bright as it's ever been. You lean in, I lean in, and it all comes back again. Ooh, 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 ooh. Put your head on my shoulder in the doorway. That's the part I hope will never fade. Feels like Polaroids on the fridge. Little moments that never quit. Yellow corners fading ink, but the feeling's still as bright as it's ever been. You lean in, I lean in, and it all comes back again.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this type of content, please leave a comment and share your feedback. It really helps me improve and create better videos. I'll continue looking for new ideas to share with you in future videos. See you in the next video, and thank you again.